Good evening, everybody. Very good evening, Jijun. Good evening, everybody. Quickly join the class. Good evening, everybody. Quickly join the class. Yes, very good evening. Very good evening, good evening. Quickly join the class. Join it quickly, join it quickly. Yes, good evening, good evening. Quickly join the class. Yes, good evening, everybody. Quickly join the class. Join it quickly. Yes, good evening. So, first of all, I wish all of you a happy Durga Puja. Today is the 6th day. So, enjoy the Durga Puja. After today, classes will be suspended for 4 days because of the Durga Puja. So, enjoy this Durga Puja vacation, Puja vacation. Now, today we will discuss about understanding elementary shape, the remaining part about the solids, about the three-dimensional figures. Three-dimensional figures. So, in three-dimensional figures, we will discuss about cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere, prism, trapezium. Everything will be explained. So, you have to watch the video till the end to get a total concept. How many faces are there? How many edges are there? How many vertices are there? In which solid figures or three-dimensional figures? So, one by one, I will tell everything about all these solids, three-dimensional figures. Why three-dimensional? Why we are telling three-dimensional? Three-dimensional means it is three dimensions: length, breadth, as well as height. Three dimensions: length is there, breadth is there, and height is there. In two-dimensional figures like rectangle, square, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium, kite, these are two-dimensional figures. Circle also two-dimensional figures, but this is three-dimensional figures. Cube, length, breadth, height. You can say side also there. Cuboid, length, breadth, height. So, I will tell one by one. So, quickly join the class. Binori, very good evening. Good evening, good evening. So, today we will discuss about the topic. But before it, one interesting question for all of you. Listen to me carefully. आपका पास आपका स्कूल बैग है, स्कूल बैग. सो आपका पास आपका किताब है, मैथ्स का किताब है, साइंस का किताब है, सोशल स्टडी का किताब है, हर एक किताब आपका पास है. तो अगर आप आपका स्कूल बैग में एक के बाद एक किताब डालते रहेंगे तो कितना किताब में आपका एम्प्टी स्कूल बैग में कितना किताब आएगा? 15 किताब आएगा, 10 किताब आएगा, 5 आएगा, 3 आएगा, कितना किताब आएगा आपका स्कूल बैग में? एम्प्टी स्कूल बैग में कितना किताब आप एक साथ डाल सकते हैं? जैसे कि आपका स्कूल बैग एम्प्टी नहीं रहेगा. So, comment your answer. Comment. Very good. Yes. Good evening, Pankaj Sarangi. Very good evening. School bag. Empty school bag. How many books you will put in your school bag? One by one. How many books you will put in your school bag? One by one. So that your school bag will not be empty. Yes. For your standard, this is a GK question. General knowledge. Comment please. Yes. How many books you can put in your empty school bag one by one? How many books you can put in your empty school bag? You will put it one by one. Yes. Very good. Jijun, your answer. Very good. Good one. I'll tell the answer. Just others comment please. Yes, very good. Good evening. Comment please. Yes, very good. Jijun, your answer is yes, correct answer. I'll not waste your time. That is one book. After putting one book, the school bag will not be empty. So after putting one book, it will be not empty. It contains one book. So answer is one book. Now keep it in mind, this is a GK question. Now come to the topic, understanding elementary shapes. So solids. Solids are called 3D figures. 3D figures. 3D figures. 3D means D dimension. Dimension. 3 dimension. D means dimension. 3 dimension. So what? 3 dimensions: length, breadth, and height. So these figures have length, breadth, as well as height. So now here, first of all, 3-dimensional figure solids are cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere, prism, pyramids. Pyramids in Egypt. You can see many pyramids in your book. You can see the shape of the pyramids. So these are the basic common 3-dimensional figures, or we can say solids. So one by one we'll discuss about all of the solids. So now let us start about the cube first. Cube. Now see, cube. Figure. Figure of the cube. So now see, I will tell the models of the cube. Yes. So this is the my base, this is the top face. Okay. So cube, the models of cube, or we can say examples. Models or examples. What? Ludo dice. Have you ever been played Ludo? 6, 2, 1, 4. We are putting snake and ladder is there also in Ludo. Snake and ladder. Snake will eat, you will come down. Ladder, you will climb up. Snake and ladder game is very popular in Ludo also. So Ludo dice. Ice cubes. Sugar cubes are basic examples of the cube. Now we'll see it has how many faces. So number 1, it has 6 faces. How are 6? See, this is one face, top. This is your bottom 2. Then this is your 3. This is your 4. And this one, the first one, top one, is your 5. And back to it is 6. You take a Ludo dice, 6 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Have you seen Ludo dice? Yes. In Ludo dice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Numbers are there. So it has 6 faces. How many faces? 6 faces. Now how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number 2, it has 8 vertices. How many vertices? 8 vertices. Then edges or sides? Edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. This is 12. This is okay. So you count here, taking one Ludo dice, you can count it. Ice cube, it is present in your refrigerator, fridge. You can take one ice cube. Also you can count the number of edges or sides. So it has 12 edges or sides. Now point 4. Each face of a cube is a square. Each face of a cube is a square. Now point 5. All the faces of the cube are identical, or you can say equal. Identical, or you can say equal. For your class, you can also say, instead of identical, you can say equal. So all the faces of the cube are identical or equal. Okay. So cube is ice cube, Ludo dice, sugar cubes. Similarly, now we'll discuss about the cuboid. So now move to the next part, that is cuboid. Okay. So let's see about cuboid. Note it down. Note these points in your copy. Pause the video and note it down. It will be helpful for you when you are going to solve the exercise. Concept is more important. Concept is the power. So now cuboid. So cuboid, figure of cuboid. Brick, you have seen bricks. So brick, a model of cuboid. Okay. This is the model of cuboid. Now here, this is the base. Okay. So here, the models of cuboid, or you can say examples. Your book, brick, box, and your many other things are present around us which are cuboidal in shape. Cuboid to cuboidal. And similarly, like cube, the cuboid has also 6 faces. Cuboid, it has how many faces? 6 faces. Number 2, it has same thing as cube, 8 vertices. I will show it. And it has 12 edges. 12 edges. Same as cube. Yes, sides count it. First 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5 and back to it. 6. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges. Then vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. 8 vertices. Now each face of a cuboid is a rectangle. Now point 5. The opposite faces of a cuboid are opposite faces are identical, or we can say equal, identical or equal. So now let's see, this is one geometry box. So it is called not exactly same as the cuboid because this is round shape, but same thing. Example we can say, see, 1 2 1 1, back to it, this is 2, then 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is your 6 faces. Then what is this? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 vertices. Edges 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so similarly you can take any one of the object, your book also you can take and count the number of what? Vertices, number of faces and number of edges. Okay, so now we'll discuss about the next one, that is your cylinder. So now let's see about the cylinder. Cylinder right circular cylinder. This is called right circular cylinder. So cylinder, you just remember cylinder. So see the figure of the cylinder now. Okay, so this is the figure of a solid cylinder. Solid cylinder, compactly packed, solid cylinder, no hollow space, solid cylinder. So this is called the base. This is the base. This is the top. So base is a plane surface. It is a plane surface. Base is a plane surface. Top is also plane surface. Okay. Now this one, the dotted part. This part is curved surface. Then how many faces it has? One face. This is your 2 and this is 3. So a cylinder has 3 faces. Now one, a cylinder has 2 plane surface and 1 curved surface. Okay. Right circular cylinder. A cylinder has 2 plane surface. Which are plane? Base and top. Circular plane surface. This is circular. So this is circular. Top is also circular. Base is also circular. Both are circular. Top and bottom or base. Now curved surface. 1 curved surface and 2 plane surface are there in a cylinder. Now example. Have you seen your pencil? Pencil is a model of cylinder. Models of cylinders. Pencil models. Models of cylinder. pencil. Okay, you have seen pencil, model of cylinder, solid cylinder, pencil. Okay, you have seen that pipes are there, pipes, these are hollow cylinders. Pipes are hollow cylinder because the empty space is there in between, so that is hollow cylinder. Pipe, hollow cylinder, but we are discussing about solid cylinder, not hollow, solid cylinders. So you have to just remember the number of faces. Then how many edges? Here? This is one edge. This is one. This is two, and this is one. Edges. But here also we can say that no vertices are there because no corners are there. No corners. So no vertices are there. Okay. So in cylinder, in your textbook, only we will read about how many faces are there. No other things are given. As because you are in class 6. So more about the cylinders, more about the hollow cylinders, more about the solid cylinders, their volume, surface area, everything in mensuration part you will read. Just you will go to higher and higher classes. Now just the motto of this chapter is to recognize the figure. You should know what is the diagram of a cylinder, how many faces are there. Now we'll move to the next part, that is cone. Okay, cone. So just remember the figures. Cone. Okay, so cone is there. Let me clean the board first. Okay, so now cone. Conical, cone. Now diagram. Okay, so this is the base. Base, plane surface. Okay, circular, like a circle. So write circular cone. We can write circular cone. Right circular cone. This is called the vertex, and this one, this is part, it's called curved surface. So here we can write, what we can write? A cone has two surfaces. A cone has two surfaces. One plane surface and another curved surface. Okay. Now how many vertices? Only one is there. So no vertices. Vertex. A cone has number 2. A cone has one vertex. Singular is vertex, plural is vertices. One vertex, two vertices. One vertex, two vertices. So a cone has one vertex. Okay, this one. Base, a plane surface. Circular. This is curved surface. And for your knowledge, I am telling this is called height, h. This is called radius R and this is called L, slant height L. In higher class you'll read about it in class 9 and 10. 9 and 10. This is height, this is radius, this is slant height. So more about the cone you'll read in the higher class. Okay. So now move to the next one. After cone we go to sphere. Sphere, solid sphere. So cricket ball, let's consider about a cricket ball. So let's see about this is cross seam of the cricket ball. So this cricket ball, the solid sphere. So a sphere has one end, only one chord surface. One end, only one curved surface. It has one surface, that is chord. It has one surface and that is curved surface. So one end, only one curved surface. How many vertices? No vertex. No vertices or vertex. Okay? No vertex. Vertex is not there. Edges, round in shape. So where is the edge? So we can say sphere has one and only one curved surface and no vertex. Now models of sphere. You can write cricket ball, short put. So in annual athletic meet, when annual athletic meet of your school, when there is an event, putting the shot, the students are throwing the ball, that is spherical in shape, spherical ball made of iron. So how much distance they throw the ball? According to the measurement of the distance, who throw the ball more longer distance is the winner. So that is putting the shot. And many more things are there around us which looks like sphere, like globe, earth, globe, example of sphere. Now orange, not exactly spherical, but spherical inside. Orange, globe, these are also we can like globe, model of earth, globe means what? Model of earth, spherical, model of earth, spherical, globe is spherical in shape. So all these are the models of spheres. So after sphere, what we'll discuss? We'll discuss about the prism and the pyramid. Okay. So prism and pyramid. In prism and pyramid, we'll see these figures are not there in the higher classes. For your understanding, I will tell what is the definition of the prism, what is the definition of the pyramid, and how many faces are there, vertex is there, everything I will tell. So let me first clean the board. Now first of all we discuss about the pyramid. So pyramid. Now see the figure first. Okay. This is the drawn figure of the pyramid. Okay. So pyramid. A pyramid is a shape is a shape with a base. A base means single base. Single base. With a base means single base. The other faces are triangles. So pyramid is a solid three-dimensional figure. So the shape, the base is triangle. This is triangle. See, ABC triangle. ABC triangle. Single base. Other faces are also triangle. Single base. This is base. We can say base of the pyramid. Pyramid. Now more about pyramid you will read in higher classes. Now next to it, prism. So let's draw the diagram first. Diagram. Okay. Now yes. Let's this is a diagram of prism. So this is the base. This is the base. We can say just show it base. The base of a prism. The base of a prism. So let's see. The base of a prism is a triangle. Is a triangle. The base of the prism is a triangle. Base. This is called the base. Prism. So in physics, higher classes, we will read about the prism, about spectrum and colors, how the sunlight enters through the prism and disperses into 7 colors, which we call the colors of rainbow. Vigor, violet to red. Vigor, VIBGYOR, different colors of the rainbow. So in higher classes you will read about it, how the light enters through the prism, glass prism, and disperses, split into different colors of the rainbow, sunlight. So the base of the prism is a triangle. It has two, right? It has two identical. It has two identical means equal bases. Identical bases. Two identical bases. One is this, opposite to it. Okay, so this is shown. Other one is not shown in this figure. So opposite one is also a triangle. It has two identical bases. Other faces of the prism are rectangles. So these things you have to keep it in mind before you are going to solve the exercise, the MCQs, very short answer questions as well as the short answer questions. So okay, see you in the next class. All the best. Good night. Take care of your health and wish you a happy Durga Puja holiday. Thank you all.